Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox if it keeps crashing on your iPhone or iPad. Now, the first thing we're going to do is swipe up and close out of the app completely. So completely close out of Roblox and let's head into the settings. There are some things we can do in the settings to prevent it from crashing as well as in the Roblox app. So within the settings, let's scroll down here. You're going to look for that general option. Just tap on that. And now you'll be able to see right under software update is iPhone storage. Let's go there. You're going to first just check to make sure that you're not running out of space on your iPhone. If you're running out of space, just delete some apps to free up some space. But also let's scroll down from here because we're going to choose Roblox on this list. And one easy way to prevent it from crashing is offloading it and reinstalling it. This force updates it to the latest version of Roblox, but also clears out all of the temporary files and cache files in the app itself. After it's done going through the process of loading up again and installing, let's open it up. Now we can also do something within the Roblox games themselves to prevent them from crashing. So let's scroll down and use Please Donate as an example. So tap on Please Donate and let's hit play. Now within here, if it is crashing, it's usually because you have an older iPhone or iPad and the resources are basically maxed out and it's using up all the resources on your phone, the memory, the processing. So let's tap on the Roblox icon at the top left there. And now from here, it defaults to people. However, let's go over to settings at the top left. After you're on the settings, we're going to scroll down and we're going to do two different things within here. You can see it says graphics mode. It's usually set to automatic. However, let's switch instead of automatic to manual and then bump the graphics quality all the way down. Again, this will lower the graphics quality of the games, but make it run faster and smoother without maxing out your iPhone or iPad and causing it to crash. The other thing we're going to do is tap on reduce motion. Let's turn it from off to on, and it says stop or reduce motion effects. Again, those motion effects can max out your iPhone or your iPad and cause it to glitch or even crash. After you've done that, you should be able to hop out of here and play a game without any issues, nice and smooth. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.